topic is standard controllers. Standard controllers. Standard controllers. See, what is standard controllers here? We will use the existing functionalities, accounts, contacts, whatever we have, by using objects, S-object. By using S-object, we will use the standard functionalities. If you want to refer to any of the, you want to refer the any of the object, the visual force page, then we define S-object. S-object as standard controller. S-object as standard. S-object as standard controller. S-object as a standard controller. Example, apex colon each controller equal to standard controller equal to account. Standard controller equal to account. So closing apex page. Close the apex page. Close the apex page. Close the apex page. Example. Read customer __ C. What is this one? What object it is?
Custom subject.
Custom.
__ C. Loan object. Standard controllers. All the objects. Standard means not only Salesforce given. All the objects we can utilize. Standard controller. All the objects we will use. So accounts, lead, customer, loan, both standard and custom objects. Both standard and custom objects, both we will use. Both standard and custom objects, both we will use here to refer. How many objects we can refer here? Only one object. Always we can only define. We can only define one S object. Only define one S object as a standard controller. Standard controller. Write down this point also. Only one S object we will refer. One object we will refer as a standard object. Right. Everyone clear? See how to refer, I will show you. How to refer to the fields of the objects. Fields of the objects. to refer to the fields of the objects. For example, we'll take the list S object, field. What is the format syntax? What format you have to give? S object, for example, object. Standard object, if you are taking with the field, how you have to define here. Example, field also you are taking as a standard field because both will be there, right? Standard and custom both will be there. How to refer this in this case? Open brace, close brace, not symbol. What is your object name? What is the object name dot field name? Object name dot field name. Everyone getting me? This is the account. For example, account is the standard object. Account is the standard object. Field also you are taking as a standard field. Field also standard field you are taking. Object name account dot field name. In Visual Force page, like this you have to write the syntax. In Visual Force page, like this you have to refer. Everyone understanding what is going on? Right, different combinations I will take here. One example, practical if you do, then we will come to know. Here custom we will take. Field is standard. Field is standard. Oh, sorry, S object is a standard. Field is custom. In this case, what is the syntax? What is the syntax here? Object name dot field name underscore underscore C. Because custom field you are referring. That's why underscore underscore C we will take. Another combination I will take. Object S object is a custom object and field you are taking as a standard. Field you are taking as a standard. Okay, what is the syntax here? Same kind of syntax only, something will change here. Underscore underscore C. Yeah. Field name normal we will take because normal field name normal you have to take. Hope everyone is understanding what is going on. Next, custom and custom cases we will take. Object name underscore underscore C. Field name underscore underscore C. Object name underscore underscore C. Field name underscore underscore C. Right on. This is the syntax. Then we'll see some examples. Then you will come to know what is going on here. The standard controllers. One example I will take. Simple example. Directly we will refer. Right. Directly you can practice in the application only. Create a standard controller example 1 page name. Create a Visual Force page, everyone. Name you give as standard controller example 1. Standard controller example 1. Create one Visual Force page first, everyone. Create one Visual Force page, everyone. Who is asking link in the group? Regular. It's a regular link. Who is that? Vishak.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What happened?
Get it, sir. Because
Okay, fine.
yeah,
No issues. Everyone created this page, example one, then start writing the code. I'm referring accounts. I'm referring accounts is the standard object. Account is the standard object. That's why standard controller equal to account I'm taking. Everyone clear this one? Now in the page, name, open bracket, close bracket, not, what is the controller name? Standard controller account dot name. Dot name. We will give here. So what will be there? Industry will be there, right? Industry colon open bracket, close bracket, not account dot industry also referring. These are the API names. Whatever I am referring, this field names, API names will be there, right? That API names you have to refer here. Industry fine. Rating also we will take. Rating colon open bracket, close bracket, not account is the standard object, standard field only I am taking. So rating, this is the API name. API names properly you have to give, otherwise it will not display. Active open bracket, close bracket, not account colon, sorry, account dot active. I think it is not there. Okay, let it be active. Don't take because it's a custom object. I think it's not there in the. Let me execute in my application. Everyone execute in the application these three fields. So what kind of Screen you are getting, just let me know. What about points? Everyone is completing the points. How many points completed? Everyone minimum crossed 10,000 points or 5,000 points?
Cross.
So I'm creating the visual. Right, good. Create a visual force page. Standard example 1 I'm giving. Create this. Just I'm referring all the code here. So standard controller equal to account. Standard controller equal to account. So break we will give here. What is the problem? Any type of mistakes are there? Standard name not. What is the issue? Yeah, change this. Break is given slash different place. That is the right. I'm saving the record. No, saving the record. We'll see the preview. So you see the preview, how it will display. So this, like this, it is displaying. Right. Everyone able to see like this preview?
Yes.
Right. Yes. So if you want to see the data in this, if you want to see the data existing record, if any existing record, if you want to see, we can change the URL and we can load the data also. I will show you that one. So here we will use the concept called page URLs. Page URLs. So passing parameters from the URLs. So before going to that, just a simple topic we will see here. So up to here, everyone completed, right? The screen you are able to see like this.
Yes.
Okay. Next heading. Passing parameters from URL. Passing parameters from URL. Passing parameters from URL. Passing parameters from URL. Or how to pass the data or parameters from the URL. One page to another page. One page to another page. You write down the URLs, http:// so AP 27, right? Server, which instance you are connecting?
Asia.
Salesforce.com. Yeah. Salesforce.com/apex /page name here, like this. This is the general URL, correct? If you want to pass the data, how you will pass now? So same URL, write down. First URL, write down everyone. This is a regular URL, if you know the page name. The second URL, if you want to pass the data from the one page to another page, the page name question mark, okay? Parameter name, param equal to value. Which value you want to pass, that value we can pass from here. So another URL, another example I'm taking. Salesforce page name. So here, for example, name you are passing. Name equal to to this page. It will go to that page. Or if you want to pass multiple values, name and age, both if you want to pass, ampersand we will use. Ampersand age equal to 30. Through URLs, if you want to pass the data. Through URLs, if you want to pass the data, this is the syntax. Through URLs, if you want to pass the data, this is the syntax. Ampersand city equal to Hyderabad. City equal to Hyderabad. Everyone clear? Write down the URLs, everyone. Writing part, everyone completed. Just let me know. Everyone done, Amma?
Completed, sir.
Completed. Everyone done? Right. Now we will see. So if you want to write down one more point here. See, whichever record data you want to print, whichever record data you want to print, that record ID we need to pass in the URL. Need to pass in the URL. See how it will be http://ap27 dot salesforce.com /apex/ s-object page name. It's the Visual Force page name, VF page name, Visual Force page name, question mark, ID equal to, so some record ID we will take here. Some record ID we will take. We will try now. Just take this one. These two lines you can take. Example, the highlighted things. Hope everyone completed writing part. Now we will see practical. For example, if you want to refer the one record, let me open in the another. Wait, I just did duplicate. Let me navigate to. I'm taking one record details. See, Byju's I'm taking, for example. Byju's record ID is this one, correct? This is the record ID of the Byju's. Now your Visual Force page is this one, but it's not displaying anything data. You are getting my point. Just I'm copying. Just I copied one record ID. One record ID I copied. This record ID, if you want to display in your Visual Force page, so what I have to do? After the question mark, just remove this. So ID equal to, just to give ID equal to that record ID. You are getting information. You are getting the information now.
Yes.
The name is Byju's. Industry I didn't give there anything. Rating is hot I selected. That's why rating is hot. What is the next one? Industry also, let me add it here. Some value. It should display in the new Visual Force page. Where is the industry? Who is that one? So where is the industry? Industry.
So below of SL is serial number.
Got it. So industry, let me select agriculture. Okay, save it. Then go to your new Visual Force page. So just we will refresh. It's reflecting, right? The new Visual Force page. So try this example, everyone. Just to open one record first. Just to open one record, take this ID, copy this ID, then go to your new Visual Force page. Remove last before question mark. What is that? Just remove it. Then type ID equal to this ID. Complete, everyone. Just let me know. One more I will give. You have to practice that one. Okay, fine.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Ankit sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Can you show again how did you select industry? Not agriculture. The link for that?
Link. Just to
Yeah,
open
link.
any of the account record.
Yes, yes.
Open any of the account record, anything you just open. Genie point I'm opening now.
Okay.
Genie point record I open. Okay. Take this ID, copy the ID in the URL.
Okay. This part I have
Here,
done.
right click and make it as duplicate. Make it as duplicate. One more tab it will open. Right click on the tab, duplicate it. Then go to your new Visual Force page. This is my Visual Force page. So ID you can give is Genie point ID. Click on enter. See what it is displaying. Name is Genie point. Industry is biotechnology. Rating is hot. Rating is hot.
Okay, got it.
Still anyone having doubts, just share your screen and I will tell you how to do.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it's me, Arvind.
Yeah, I've been shared the screen.
Sir, I'm not getting the.
Yeah,
This
you can share
developer showing error.
1 minute. Backslash you give last after the R. BR.
Yeah.
The slash you give last after R. Remove that. Slash you give back last. Right. Here also change it. This line number 4 also you can change.
Okay.
Now save it. See the preview.
Again, element controller. Okay.
What happened?
Okay.
Now you can see, now the data is not showing, right? So take any account record ID and URL you change. ID equal to, after question mark ID equal to this one, like that you can change. Then it will display.
Okay.
Everyone clear? This
Yes.
standard controller.
Clear, sir.
Okay. One more I will give, just practice now only. One more example I will give, simple example. You can refer the contact standard object. Contact object. You can refer the contact object. Take the fields as two minutes time I will give. Adds on 2 minutes. You can copy paste from here the code. The same thing you can copy and create one more standard controller example 2. New page you create. Standard controller example 2. New Visual Force page create and refer all these fields. And take any of the record and show me the data. Take any of the contact ID and refer it.
Next.
Anyone completed? Just share your
Yes.
screen and show me. Yes, you can share the screen.
Are you able to see?
Yes. So which object you are referring? Which object you are referring, Devin?
Test.
No,
Ah,
class name, first name. So why it's highlighted the contact accounts?
oh,
So
this
what is
one.
the ID? Contact ID, right? You are taking contact ID only, no? Can you show me the code?
No, this is the idea.
No. What I given, I want contacts,
Okay. Doing
not
it.
accounts. Contacts we want.
Okay.
Requirement what I given? Yeah, contact only, right? Just refer contact object.
Yeah, doing it.
Completed, sir.
Can you share the screen and show me?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, sir.
What about others? Just let me know. Completed, Amma? So have everyone completed this example? Right.
Yes,
So,
yes.
right. Madam, next topic. Page block section. Page block section. Page block section. Page block section. See how we will write the page block section, apex colon, page block. Page block section. Apex colon, page block section. Of page block. This is the child component of the page block. It is a child component. It is a child component of page block. is a child component of page block. What it will do, this will divide. This will divide the row into. Can you please mute them if you are not talking. This will divide the row into number of columns. What we can do, in each column, one component we can display. In each column, one component. Each column, one component should be displayed. If you are not mentioning also, it will take some default columns. So you will see the attributes. What are the attributes we have? Title, collapsible, columns, rendered. Some of the attributes. These are some of the attributes. Still, we have some other attributes. So title, collapsible, columns, rendered. Title, collapsible, columns, rendered. So I will show one example. Everyone practice and show me. The page block sections we will divide. Write the example, everyone. So different sections we have to divide in the page. Apex colon. Let me write in the application. Create a new Visual Force page, everyone. Page block section. Page block section example. Page block section example. Apex colon. Form we will take. Apex colon. page block, because first page block you have to take, because the child component of the page block. Inside the page block only sections we will divide. So here I will write page block section. Page block section. Let me create, then you can start writing. 1 minute. This is one section. This is one section. Here I will give the title equal to section 1 I will give. Okay. So write some dummy information here. Simple. Line 1. Break. So line 2 break. Line 2 break. Same way, I will take another section. 3 different sections I am taking. This is section 2. This is section 3. Section 2, section 3. Page block section. Inside that, what I can do here, if you want, you can create apex colon command buttons. We can create it. Command buttons. You know, right? How to create a command buttons? Everyone knows, right? Save. So here, cancel. Cancel. Right? So if you want, you can copy in another section also these things. Let me see the preview for this, how it is displaying sections. See here, the sections, how it is displaying. The collapsible, here collapsible true is there by default. That's why it is showing like this. You can give false, then it will not collapse. Try this example, everyone. Now only. I'll come back in 5 minutes. Hope everyone completed.
Yes.
Yes. So I will give design, page design and show me. Okay. W is not working in my system. That is new employee. This is qualification. I think some problem in typing here. Employee object is there, then you can refer that one. Otherwise, if you want to see the data here, you can refer the existing object. If employee is not there, just simply design this page. Just take this diagram, everyone. Requirement.
Yes, sir.
Just take this diagram, everyone. Done?
Yes, sir.
No, you can try later. This example you can try later. Let me take another topic here. Standard controller actions. Standard controller actions. Some default actions they given. If you write save, it will save. It will write. If you write edit, it will edit like that. The Salesforce, Madam, Salesforce on every S object. Salesforce on every S object. Find standard actions. Standard actions. These actions will maintain or manipulate. Actions will manipulate the data. Data in the S object. Data in S. What are all actions we have? Number one, save. Second one is quick save. So here button is problem. Quick save. Don't write like this only. This is quick save. Quick save. We quick save. Number three, edit. Number five, view. Number six, cancel. Number seven, list. We have some input elements. Input elements in Visual Force. Input elements in Visual Force. What are all input elements we have? The input elements. Input text. The first one is the controls. Text box control, pick list, right? How we will create. First one we'll see input text. Input text. This is the text box control. How to create a text box control. There are different types of input controls. For example, text boxes, if you see, enter name. We will write this one, apex colon input text hash. It will create one text box. It will create one text box. BR. This is simple text box creation. For example, disabled mode. If you want to disable text box, disabled text box. So what we will give? Input text only we will take. Here property we will take disabled equal to true. Disabled equal to true. More break I'm giving. Disabled equal to true. Rendered.
Venkat sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, it's me Vaishnav. Sir, I want to go to office. Yeah, so recently.
Sorry.
I want
Where
to
you
go to
want
my
to go?
office. Hello, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. You can go.
Okay, thank you.
Text. Input text. Rendered equal to false. Rendered equal to false. Rendered equal to false. Just give break. Direction. Input text dir equal to input text dir equal to RTL we will give. RTL. Style equal to text. So I'll give some style. Style equal to, so CSS, this is the CSS style. Background semicolon yellow. W you can write here. W is there, right? W semicolon. Color equal to color colon red. Color colon red. So background color, what you are giving? Yellow. Color colon red. Max size also you can give. max size colon, we can create a thing should be proper, otherwise it will give error. Right. Max size or max length we will give. Max length equal to 5 I am given. Execute this in the application. Create a input text example 1. Input text example 1. Any errors it will display here. This one should close. This one should close here. This is also should close. This is style. What is the problem? Line number 7, some issue. Style. Okay, here I will remove this. You people can write it here because in my case, what will happen? The W, some buttons are not working. That's why. Okay. Some of the buttons are not working. So you can give background equal to yellow. For you, it will work. Otherwise, I will just remove this spot. You can write it. I will remove here some issues. For you, it will work. Still some problem here. Anyone tell me what was the issue here? Just find out what is the issue. Why this is showing error. Must offset between tags. Write down everyone. Try to execute this one. Preview. See the preview. So it is in the form, right? Form controllers. Everyone able to execute this one? See the preview? See how the text box is created here, disabled. You are able to see the text box, but you are not able to perform any operation. Rendered true given, this is not going to the server to execute. Direction, if you see how it is, the direction is showing right to left. I given right to left, starting from right to left. Max size, if you give 5, after that it will not enter anything. Max size 5, it will not enter anything after that. Try this one, everyone. It's working fine for you? It's working for everyone?
Still doing so.